Who? Yes. She's on the phone right now. Well, give me the phone then. Hello. Of course, this is Miss Lottie Lot. Of course, I have a lot of stories. Well, who would say I didn't? They said I didn't have good stories. Well, just wait and see. All right, I'll be on in a minute. Yeah, get your Who Made the Queen Sneeze book out. And we're going to show that Grandma has good stories. All right. You got your jammies on? You got your jammies on? Oh, y'all got your jammies on? Yeah, y'all getting ready? All right. G getting ready to read the story. All right, let me put the phone down. I love you. Cuddle up. You got your book? Hurry up. Go get your book. Yeah. All right, give you a couple seconds. You got it? All right, hold on. Let me put the phone down because I got to read. Bye, 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 bye. Do you have your Who Made the Queen Sneeze book out? Well, you better go get it because I'm fin ready to read it. Do 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 do. I didn't just hear the Queen sneeze. Did you hear that? The Queen just sneezed. Oh my gosh! Everybody in the kingdom! The Queen just sneezed! It wasn't just a it's you. It was a big old. Better go find out what made the Queen sneeze. Subjects! Subjects! Subjects, please, did you hear the Queen sneeze? Royal family, I distinctly heard the Queen sneeze. Can someone put the palace at ease? Just what made Her Majesty sneeze? Someone in the kitchen shouted out loud. Call the keeper of the kitchen. Turn the page, and all my little happy grands, we gotta turn the page. Keeper of the kitchen, if you please. Do you know what made the Queen sneeze? Well, I'll tell ya. My menu indeed. I served her fresh spinach and some creamy yellow cheese and a bunch of green grapes without any seeds. Oh, surely I don't know what made the Queen sneeze. Well, the green grapes are delicious and seedless. And this creamy yellow cheese is yummy. No, not indeed. I don't think my food made the Queen sneeze. Just call the keeper of the bees. He's filling the jars with honey, I believe. Turn the page. Keeper of the bees, if you please. Do you know what made the Queen sneeze? Well, the bee got to thinking about it. Of course, that ain't in the story, but Grandma Yikes, they had a little few things, y'all know how I do. It could have been the pollen. Yes, the pollen in the breeze. There was hardly enough gale to stare the trees. But between you and me, and the wind would agree, it could have been the ragweed that made us sneeze. So why not call the keeper the beeper? You know, the keeper, the beeper, you know, the one with the beep. Because he's under the old shady elm tree, polishing his Jeep. You want to see this picture, y'all? Yeah, look at this. See, he's right there. Polishing his Jeep, got his little beeper on. See, y'all might not know about a beeper. That was way back. See, when Grandma wrote this book, people were carrying beepers around. You know, like on your hip, go beep, 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 beep. And then you knew that somebody was trying to get in touch with you. Now, see, y'all doing the age of everything. Y'all could just do everything. Love technology. Okay, well, let's get back. Keeper the beeper. If you please, do you know what made the Queen sneeze? Oh, boy. Man, this is D. After I finished polishing my brand new red Jeep, I fell into a slumber ever so deep. I didn't even hear my own beeper beep. Excuse me. Excuse me, hold on. I got a beep coming on. So excuse me while I check my message, please. I have no idea what made the queen sneeze. Like I said, this is very deep. So ask the keeper of the papers. You know how they peeping. I'm sure he wasn't asleep. This kid is something else, huh? So you know some little peepers. That's what they call eyes back in the day. Somebody see everybody, they got their peepers on. Peeper. Peeping out everything. That girl was peeping out. Keeper of the papers, if you please. Do you know what made the queen sneeze? Well, the peoples was creeping down by the river creek, and the family of the peoples was gathering because they wanted to get a real good peek. Because Ma and Pa Peep, a little one, he was taking his very first leap. Yeah, I'm very certain this won't put your mind at ease. But I don't think they know why what made the queen sneeze. Ask the keeper of the sheep, whose sheep were bleeping, bleep, 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 instead of making it bleep. Action pack, ease. Keeper of the sheep, if you please. Do you know what made the queen sneeze? Eula. This is not a tease, but could your fleece be full of fleas? Correct me if you please. Just correct me if you please. Was it not an itch, but a sneeze? No, indeed, I don't think my fleas made the queen sneeze. Actually, this flea business gives my fleas the creeps. Ask the chamber room keeper of the sleep. Let's check out. Here she is. There she is. She is the one who keeps the chambers. Keeper of the chambers. There she is. Got her broom in her hand. Keeper of the chamber room sleep, if you please. Do you know what made the queen sneeze? Well, if it's your business, and your business indeed, yes, I know what made the queen sneeze. Hardly trying to make a scene, Her Majesty wanted her chamber room clean. So I flee to the pantry, where all the royal things do keep, and I retrieve the royal broom, so that I might sweep. Woo-wee! The dust was surely over an inch deep. It's a wonder thing. However, it's not a joke. The dust made a call. And the dust made her choke. A wheeze. A cough. A wheeze. A dust ball caused the queen to sneeze. That's all. That's all. Yeah. It was just a dust ball. That's all. Oh, isn't that nice? Now people ask, no, Grandma, this should be your question. A dust ball? Yeah. Child, I was in there dusting my room and I said, Lord have mercy. The dust in here about an inch thick. Grandma got the coughing in the carrier. And you know how Grandma, that was the start of a story. Got my little pen out and got the writing down. And now you know who made the queen sneeze. Everybody don't know. Alright, so if people wonder, you got to go. Oh, here you go. Who made the queen sneeze? By your G-Ma. People don't know who G-Ma is. That's Carmaya. I love you guys. Alright now. Get ready for bed. Go to sleep. Okay? And read your book all about the what? The long who? Long ease. Okay. Mwah. Not like Miss Lottie Lot. She has lots of stories. Yes. Good night.